Students, we go to the next topic, that is irrigation, that is in crop production management. This is the next topic, okay, after the manure and fertilizers. Now India as an agricultural country, it is rain fed, that means most of the areas are dependent on timely monsoons, okay, and sufficient rainfall spread. Hence poor monsoons can cause the crop failure. Now, to ensure that the crops get water at right stages during their growing season, this can increase the expected yields. Okay, so many measures are used to bring more and more agricultural land under irrigation. Now, there's a small information of more to know how the droughts they occur. That is because of the irregular distribution of rains. Okay, and certain light soils have got less water retention capacity. So scientists have developed some crop varieties which can tolerate these drought conditions. Okay, now we go to irrigation. Now in India, okay, we have got several kinds of irrigation systems. Okay, it all depends on how much water supply is available. Now the first one is wells. Okay, now in wells there are two types of wells. You have got dug wells and tube wells. Okay, now what is a dug well? Dug well is collected from water from a water bearing strata. Now this is a layer which is near to the earth's surface. Okay, you don't have to dig much more deeper. While the tube wells, they tap water from deeper strata, so you have to go into deep into the soil. Okay, the layers of the soil where you can get the tube wells done. Okay, now from these wells, dug well as well as tube wells, water is lifted by pumps for irrigation from both the wells. Okay, now next is canals. Now these canals are elaborate and extensive irrigation systems. Now these canals, generally they receive water from one or more reservoirs or sometimes from rivers. The main canal is divided into branch canals, okay, and then it is irrigated in the various fields. Okay, then you have got river lift systems. Now wherever the canals are insufficient or they are irregular due to the reservoir, the lift system, that is a river lift system, becomes more rational, becomes more easier. Okay, that is the water is directly drawn from the rivers through a pump and it is supplied to the irrigation agricultural areas which are close to the rivers. This is very important. This system only can be used where the areas are close to the rivers. Now next is tanks. Now tanks are small storage reservoirs which can be used. Okay, now these are usually catchment areas. So whenever there is a rainfall, these tanks will get filled. Okay, next is there are small check dams. Now these check dams increase the groundwater levels and also it stops from flowing away and it reduces the soil erosion. So certain places there are check dams, especially in the hilly areas. Okay, thank you.